In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload HTML, CSS, JavaScript project on Netlify. By the end, you'll have your static site live on the web in just a few clicks. First, head to Netlify in your browser. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the Projects section. This is where all your sites live, and it's the place to start when you're ready to publish something new. Next, choose Add New Project. Netlify will offer a few different ways to get your site online. You'll see an option to start building with an AI agent, which can scaffold and configure a project for you. There's also an option to import a Git repository if your code is on a platform like GitHub or GitLab and you want automatic deployments from your main branch. For a quick static site, though, we're going to use the simplest path: upload your project files. Select Upload your project files. This method is perfect for sites that are pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with no backend server. Before you upload, make sure your project has an index.html file at the root of the folder you plan to deploy. Netlify serves that file as the entry point. Also verify that your CSS, JavaScript images, and fonts are inside the folder with correct relative paths, so everything loads correctly after deployment. You can now drag and drop your entire project folder, a .zip file, or even a single HTML file right into the upload area to deploy instantly. If you prefer to browse, click the option to choose a folder. In the file picker, navigate to your project's root folder, select it, and click Open. Netlify will confirm what you're uploading and show you the folder name. When you're ready, click Upload to start the deployment. If you see a second upload confirmation, click Upload again. Netlify will process the files, create a new site for you, and assign it a unique URL you can share immediately. This usually takes just a few seconds. If something doesn't look right after it goes live, double-check that index. HTML is in the root. Confirm your asset paths are relative and case-sensitive, and ensure there's no server-only code, since this flow is for static files. For single-page apps that use client-side routing, you may need a simple redirect rule, but for most static sites, what you just did is all you need. That's it. Your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript project is now deployed on Netlify. Great job getting your site online with the fastest possible workflow.